So question 4 in the Google Forms is going to ask about simple interest. And it's going to read, Danny invested $2,000 in a bank account. His bank offers a 2% rate if you leave your money in the account for 2 years. How much interest will he earn? Well, we're talking about interest. We're going to be dealing with the simple interest formula, I equals PRT. Now, a couple important things to note. We have I being the interest, P being the principal amount, R being the rate, and T being the time. Let's start off and see if we can identify P. Well, Danny invested $2,000. Now, the principal amount is the amount that's put into an account. It's kind of that starting amount. So in this case, P is going to be $2,000. Now, if we keep reading on, it's going to say his bank offers a 2% rate. R is going to be 2%, and we're going to have to remember we have to express it as a decimal, but we'll get to that in a minute. And then we have the time period, T, and notice it says 2 years. Now notice the 2 is referring to years, not months, so we can actually plug 2 in for T. We don't have to worry about converting that into a decimal or fraction that represents the years. In this case, it's years already, so we're just going to plug it in as 2. So we're trying to solve for I. So now we know I equals the principal amount, which in this case is 2,000, times the rate, and remember our rate's 2%, but we have to express that as a decimal. So it's not we're plugging in 2, we're plugging in 0.02. Take 2 and divide it by 100 to convert it to a decimal. So times 0.02, and when I add these parentheses, I'm just using those as multiplication symbols. And last but not least, we have time is 2 years. And once again, it's already in years, so we're just going to plug it in as 2. So now we're going to solve. I equals, we're going to do 0.02 times 2, and we're going to end up with 2,000. And then 0.02, 200ths times 2 would give us 0.04 or 400ths. Last but not least, we're going to multiply 2,000 times 0.04. And once again, this is a calculator problem. I equals 2,000 times 0.04 is 80. Now, I represents the interest. So what we're saying is we were to earn $80 in interest over those 2 years.